Hello, and welcome to our lecture on sleep. Sleep patterns. Sleep is a biological rhythm. It cannot be completely ignored. Light and dark help tie these sleep rhythms to your 24-hour cycle, your 24-hour day. The normal range of sleep is 7 to 8 hours per night. And short sleepers are about 5 hours per night, and then long sleepers average 9 or more hours of sleep per night. The sleep stages. Now, sleep is natural, periodically occurring state of rest characterized by reduced activity, lessened responsiveness to stimuli, in distinctive patterns of brain activity. REM sleep is a state of sleep characterized by rapid eye movement, where they get REM, rapid eye movement, and is also often associated with dreaming. Brain areas associated with imagery and emotion is more active during your REM sleep. And this includes rapid eye movement, irregular heartbeat, wavering blood pressure and breathing, sleep paralysis, sharpening, concentration, sort of a state of unconsciousness almost. And you tend to consolidate your memories or remember your day during this REM sleep versus NREM. This is your stage of sleep during which rapid eye movement typically does not occur. This is dreaming occurs far less frequently in RN sleep than it does in REM sleep. There's changes in electrical activity in the brain waves. This shows that sleep progresses through several stages every night. Beta waves are awake and alert. Alpha waves immediately before sleep is typically when they occur. They're slower, then they get a little bit bigger waves. When you're in REM sleep, dreaming and return of high frequency brain waves occur, and then non-REM sleep occurs during all sleep stages. The waves change throughout all of your sleep stages. The four stages of non-REM sleep. Stage one is light sleep. Your heart rate slows, your breathing is irregular, your reflex muscles tend to twitch a little bit. Stage two, your body temperature drops, your sleep spindles, and it occurs on an EEG. Stage three, large and slow delta wave signals. They move to a deeper, slower wave of sleep. Things slow down in the body. And then in stage four, which is sort of that optimal level, is your deep sleep. It's almost pure slow wave delta that's going through your brain. You're just completely at rest. Your brain isn't doing anything besides remembering to breathe, remembering to move the blood through the body. You're sort of at peace. You're deep, and your body is regenerating from the day. The need for sleep. A lot of people, I hear a lot of times, I'll sleep when I'm dead. Well, absolutely. But you also need sleep now to sort of prolong meeting that, long end sleep, if you will. You repair and you restore in your sleep. And there's some theories that line up with that. You replenish and conserve energy to lengthen your life by sleeping. When sleep deprivation occurs, you become susceptible to microsleeps, sleep deprivation psychosis, confusion, disorientation, delusions, as well as hallucinations. I know myself, I went through a phase recently where I just couldn't quite get to sleep. So I was up late working. I was trying to, pile as much in as I could, go to sleep for a few hours, and then wake up. And I mean, I had headaches, coffee wasn't getting through, it wasn't enough. I started to sort of feel loopy. My head felt like lightheaded all the time. And after a few days of just getting back into a sleep routine where I was sleeping at least 6 or 7 hours, just went away. All of it went away. It just seemed like it sort of never happened. So making sure you're getting enough sleep is so important. Sleep aids. I know some people just have trouble getting to sleep. It's just not their strong point. There's some things that you can do to help yourself sleep better. The first is exercise. Believe it or not, exercising regularly, but not late in the evening, can really help you sleep better at night. Late afternoon is the best time for exercise when it comes to sleep. Avoid caffeine in the early afternoon and avoid food and drink near bedtime. This is really helps as far as you getting your system to calm down. If you drink a bunch of water, you drink a bunch of soda, energy drinks, whatever it is before bed, you have to get up to go to the bathroom, your mind starts going, your anxiety level comes up. So making sure you're sort of avoiding those before bed is ideal. The exception would be a glass of milk, which does provide materials for you to sort of manufacture serotonin, which really sort of facilitates sleep. It helps you get to sleep. So that if you have to drink, that would be something to have. Again, not health wise, just sleep wise. Relax before bedtime using a dimmer. This is really helpful to make sure that you're winding down and getting into your sleep mode. Sleep on a regular schedule. Try to go to sleep at the same time every night. Try to wake up at the same time every day. Avoid long naps. The longer your nap is during the day, the less sleep you'll have, the upcoming night. Try to hide your time as far as on your cell phone or whatever it is, because you often will look to see what time did I go to bed, and then you're not quite asleep, so you'll roll over to look at the time again, and you just keep looking at the time, and that just causes anxiety and really doesn't help you fall asleep calmly. Reassure yourself that temporary sleep loss causes no great harm. A lot of people freak out if they only got 6 hours of sleep or 5 hours of sleep the night before, and they just think it's all coming to an end. It's not. It's okay. You're not going to cause great harm to yourself if you have temporary sleep loss every now and then. Focus your mind on non-arousing, engaging thoughts, such as song lyrics or vacation travel. Um, if all else fails, settle for less sleep. Either going to bed later or getting to bed earlier is fine. As long as you're getting some sleep, you're good. Those new parents out there that survive on 4 hours of sleep, I'm not sure how you do that. That's really not enough. But somewhere around the 6 hour mark for most of us is what you're looking for. As you get older, you do need less and less or require less and less sleep. So again, make sure you're getting the sleep that you need. I hope this lecture was interesting.